And I think we're doing a polycarbonate plate today. I gotta check the build log one more time. Dude, I'm doing great today, man. Today, okay, there's something, obviously it's this vitamin D, but there's something about just walking around in the sun, even if it's for like 20, 25 minutes, man. I'm a firm believer in this. Something about it is beautiful. It makes you feel good. There's all sorts of like positive things that just come from like, I just took a 20, 25 minute walk. I did trim my beard today, yeah. I took like a 30-minute walk today outside. It's so nice. It's nice getting outside. I'll take sunny days over not sunny days any day of the week. Wait, is this a white snake? Did they make white? I don't even remember. Hold on. I have an extra light on today that I think is a little bit too bright, but it's okay. Oh, wow. I didn't know they made a white one. This is really nice. Oh. So there's the internals of the snake. Wow, that's really nice. I didn't know they made a white one. Honestly, I did not. That is really pretty. I like the contrast of this. Yeah, the snake's a gorgeous looking keyboard. It's so different too. Like in a world full of, well, in our community full of just keyboards that honestly all kind of feel and look the same after a while, it's nice to see something like way different. I do like the green, but I think the E-White kind of has its own presence to it, I suppose. I think we got sent two, but we're only using the polycarb as far as I know, which should be interesting. I'm interested to see how the polycarb will react with this board. There's a lot of O-rings in here, so I'm not sure which one we're using again. I gotta check the build log. Oops. The build notes. Oh, it's open on this side. Oh, we're doing hot swap today. I wonder how well hot swap's gonna work with the polycarb plate. I'm very curious. Alpha sends the most interesting switches, by the way. Look at these. So at first glance, I'm like, oh, he sent alpacas. Because I totally forgot the names of what he sent because they're all Frankenswitches. These are bubble stems, so from the bubble switches. Cherry black tops. I don't know, cherry tops, I don't know what color stem they're from. And SP Star bottoms from the Meteor series. No, it's not focusing nice. So interesting. Then he had added TX springs to these. They didn't really need a film, but there definitely was a nicer sound profile with a film. And then I lubed them. So there was a lot of work that went into these switches. And I have a good feeling because listen to these. They're pretty clean sounding, not gonna lie. But very, very, very interesting. That's clean? Yeah. They turned out really nice. I did a lot of experimenting with these to see like what way would work the best. Hold on, we gotta really think about this. Also, was there feet for this? I didn't see any feet. I didn't get feet either, come to think about it. It's in a bag? Oh, I don't see. Oh, they're in this one. They're so small. Feet, snakes don't have feet. You know, that actually would have been a really fun design choice of not including feet and then just putting a little label inside saying, snakes don't have feet. What are you doing, silly? You ever get those days, guys, where like, you're just so tired and you can't explain why you're just so tired, but that was me yesterday. So, this is done. Oh, they're both 58? Let's go with the orange one. Again, I'm a little... I've never done this board with a hot swap, so I'm kind of hoping these hold into place nicely. They look like they should. All right, put these little clip thingies in, even though I hate using these things. Is soldering tutorial still in the pipeline? Yes, I'm hoping that I have time to do that next week, and I'm gonna be done like first thing next week. Setup tour right after soldering tutorial. All right, I'm gonna put this guy in now. It's always nerve-wracking doing this, especially on the E-White case. You know what I forgot to do, guys? The daughter board. Oh my goodness. I will admit though, I do not like the polycarb plate in this. I don't think I like the polycarb plate. It's a little awkward. Cause I don't even like the way it's seated right now, so I need to take it out anyways. But a little awkward to put in. What's the most you've ever spent on a personal build? I regret this. This is a lesson, I'd say. But, dude, these screws are being really weird. The most I've spent was back in the day when I was, again, I think I just started streaming, or it didn't play a factor in it is all I'm trying to say. But embarrassing, not really embarrassing, but again, lesson learned. I was really into the hobby, spending money to make me happy type thing. And everyone kept telling me that, these things called key cults were like end game. And I kind of like stupidly bought into this hype. I really did. I bought into all this hype for what should be end game and et cetera, et cetera. So I ended up buying a key cult aftermarket for like $2,000. Okay, these screws are not going in very nicely. I'm gonna only screw in 2 alpha because these 2 back screws seem to not work. And I bought that. I'm not gonna lie, guys. It sits on a shelf because I don't love it. Like, it's a beautiful build, but and then I would say that the other board that I probably would have spent a lot on was the Geist, but I ended up getting a refund for that. There we go. Perfect. Ooh. Dude, I think this is gonna sound insane. All right, let me get the keycaps. All right, here we go. Here we go. Is this gonna be messed up? That's only slightly. That's good. This is only slightly. It's slightly overlapping. This is good. I haven't tuned the stabs yet, and this is already making me super, super excited for this. First time here? Hey, yo, dude. We're using polycarbonate today. We're using Frankenswitches. Damn. This is a nice set on the E-White. You guys had a good call with this. This is actually a really pretty set. Damn. All right, let's take a look at the stuff of the snake here. The behind of the snake, and here's the snake. Beautiful. Dude, I'm vibing with this set on the E-White. It's weird. I really like this set on this. Lick test? Oh my God. Okay, we're going to do a little sound test, not a lick test. We're using a Alpha. Was this 50A you said? 50 O-ring? It actually does not feel like 50. This feels like 70. These both feel like kind of heavy. HJ test? Ooh, polycarbonate plate. We're using a very unique switch. They're a Frankenswitch that Alpha put together. Meteor bottom, cherry top, bubble stem, or bubble stem. Aftermarket spring, Desky films. These things have had the works done to them. Damn, dude. That is actually pretty nuts. That is pretty damn nuts, dude. Yeah, dude, these switches are nice on this. I have to admit, the switches have like a very, this would probably be pretty obnoxious in an office. These switches have like a very poppy sound to them, but in a very pleasant way. Like, it's very pleasant. I don't think the carbon fiber would have sounded as nice on this. Honestly. I think Alpha had the right idea of going with PC, just because these switches are already so loud, to add on to that kind of like, almost like a plasticky sound. Damn, this is nice. Again, this is making me want to redo mine. I do need to touch up the spacebar ever so slightly, but I'm gonna do that afterwards. Damn, dude. Okay, that's interesting to me. This has a lot more presence in the alphas than the unicorn does. Both spacebars are very nice. Damn. Yeah, that sounds nice. This is a nice board. This turned out amazing. Snake alphas are dope. This turned out hella nice. The derivative? I still have it. I haven't shipped it back to JJW. Only reason I have not shipped it back is because I meant to ship it back a few days ago, but I was recording a video with it. So I haven't done it. I haven't put it in a box quite yet. See you guys soon. Love you guys and bye everybody. Can't wait to see you guys tomorrow and have a good one, guys. Bye.